Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I do my avocado deep condition. And this is after my hair has been in braids for a long time. I put my hair in braids for well over 2 months. I'm not sure exactly how long, and you can see how I lost my edges, but I'm about to give my hair some love. Look at my results, you guys. My hair feels so well fed and healthy. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I make this deep condition and how I apply it. To make this deep condition, I used 2 avocado, medium sized. I used 1 egg, some mayo, and coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil or the same exact ingredients like I use. Sometimes I use olive oil and I absolutely love the results. In a reasonably sized mixing bowl, add all 2 medium-sized avocado, add 1 egg, add 2 scoops of coconut oil, generous scoops. The coconut oil is white and solid because it's cold pressed and was saved like in a place where the temperature wasn't hot, so it's not melted. And then add 2 scoops of mayo. Just be generous with that as well. Mix well until you have like a smooth, silky consistency. You don't have to use a hand mixer. You can just blend all the ingredients together until you have a nice smooth consistency. Now it's time to start applying this hair mask, and you're just going to go ahead and section your hair into 4. You can section it into however much sections you need to make it workable or easy for you, but I section mine into 4. Go ahead and apply your mixture. I detangle my sections first before I begin to apply the mixture, and I applied from roots until ends, but I saturated the hair so much that it didn't even matter where I started from. Repeat the process on all 4 sections until your whole hair is saturated and well coated with the mask. When you're done with all 4 sections, make sure you massage the mask into your hair. Take your time and just massage it, and add the rest. If you have any leftovers, just add it at this time and massage. See, my curls are already coming out. My hair was shedding so much when I applied this. I remember just taking my hands out and seeing like chunks of hair in it. Once I'm done applying the mask, it's now time to let it sit in a shower cap for some time. I would advise at least 30 minutes. I kept mine in for well over an hour, and you just want to give it some time so that all the proteins in the eggs and then the healthy fats and essential nutrients in the avocado has time to work on your hair. After a few hours of letting it sit, see, let me tell you, the oil is going to come down your body, so just get ready for that. I'm drenched in oil right now because it gets warm up there, especially maybe because of the plastic cap. But yeah, the oil is going to melt and come down. And yeah, I didn't want to take it out on camera because I just wanted to get in the shower and take it out because I didn't want oil to pour. Look at how surprised I was when I saw my curls. Like, I was happy my hair was coming back, because honestly, you guys, my hair had been through a lot before this deep condition and it really needed it. After washing with some cold water, here is my result. Use cold water, don't use hot water, because you don't want the eggs to cook in your hair. It'll be a nightmare to take them out. My hair feels really soft and healthy. My edges, keep them in your prayers. I have faith they'll come back. I'm going to post a lot of hair videos, so we'll see what we do to bring them back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, be the best version of you. Bye.